Thank you, Alan, for the gift, but actually it's not mine, it belongs to you.
For me.
That's for you.
Oh, change up.
I don't know, it's from Alan.
It's from all of us. It's a stupid gift. She's gonna go, what the
My
heck?
gift right here.
Yeah, it's from all of us though.
Since Alan's not going to be here on your birthday, he wants to make sure.
Including me?
Oh, cool. It's a strap. Strap on.
Nice strap.
That's all that's in there.
That's all that's in there?
Yeah.
You got a new strap. All right.
Quit teasing us, Grandma.
Yeah, what'd you
Open
get?
it.
Just take your time. Don't scream if it's a spider.
What's that?
What is it?
It's a flashlight.
What do you
I think it's
it
a
is?
phone.
You don't know what it is?
Is
It's
that
not a
that-
phone, is it?
that's
Did you
that-
get an
Is
iPhone?
that oh, it's that watch phone.
It looks like a key.
It's
It does
a
look
new
like a key
iPhone.
fob, doesn't it?
It's a
You
phone.
start
I think
pushing
you're holding it
buttons.
upside down though.
I bet you push buttons,
There
you
you
might
go.
find out
Now
what
it
it
looks like
is.
it's on, right?
Push the red button.
Where's the red one?
It's the one on the very bottom.
The one explodes.
Is there a red button?
It
Yeah.
says old.
Yeah, hold it
it.
down. Hold it down. No, hold the button down.
Oh.
I was like, oh, okay.
Is that a car?
It sounds like a car.
Sounds like it.
It looks like a car.
Better go see
It
where
smells
it's
like a
coming
car.
from.
It must be a car.
That cracks me up. And she's like, where is it?
You better hit that button again.
She's like, where is it?
Press any one of those buttons.
Push the button to find out. I don't care anyone. Push it again. Push the button. Do you know how he turned that off?
Push it again.
Watch how it push it again. You gotta go check out your new car. I'll take your box. Come on.
Did you buy that car?
No, we all did.
That's your
Nobody
car.
got any money.
Sure they do.
Okay,
Go
Jack,
check it
can you
out.
Open the door.
I put my shoes on.
You know what's really cool about this?
I gotta put my
Now watch
shoes
this.
on.
Now, Mom, you don't need to do any of that. All you gotta do, come on up here. No crying. No crying.
You can use the key whenever you want.
Falling like a baby right now.
I am not.
Okay.